Hello there. Are you a baby boomer wondering if you are properly prepared for the upcoming silver tsunami? Now you may be asking, what is a silver tsunami? I'm glad you asked. Okay. Hi, I'm Terri B Jones, a baby boomer financial strategist, coming to you live, in person, in video, or whatever means necessary to help with retirement readiness strategies for baby boomers. Okay. I bring the techie part of the business to our insurance agency, TJ Insurance Agency, where my husband is the managing agent, and we are a family helping families have financial success as they create a budget, become debt free, get properly insured, and have several streams of income during retirement, and other than just Social Security. And so recent polls right here in Duval County has shown that we have the highest poverty rate amongst elders, and 25% of those are actually African American baby boomers. So we want to help with that. And so we will need the funding to bring back our Money Matters marketing strategy, to where we have webinars and seminars live, because baby boomers want to interact, live, and we want to bring that back to them. Okay. And that's what we'll need the money for, to get the marketing material, to actually get email blast out, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, all of the different concepts, so that we can help baby boomers to have the financial retirement strategies that they need in place. Thank you so much for your time.